Welcome to my channel. I remain Jadsax, the saxophone instructor and tutor right here in this channel. And today I'm delighted to show you 7 basic ways to play your B flat. Alright, first, this is it, right? And secondly, you can play your B flat by holding down your A together with your side B flat, okay? Thirdly, you can play your B flat by holding your B together with your B's, alright? Alright, now, and you can play your B flat again by holding your B together with your F, right? You can play your B flat again by holding your B together with your F sharp, alright? Another way to play your B flat again is when you hold down your A with your side B flat and your F. Alright? And again, you can still play your B flat by holding your A together with your side B flat and your F sharp. So I'm going to play everything so you enjoy the 7 basic ways to play your B flat. Alright, so I'm going to take it slowly now so you can see me. This is it. These are the 7 different ways you can play your B flat. Thank you for watching.